Hi, and welcome to Pyronix. In this video, you'll be shown how to enable the new Guard Response feature on your control panel. Guard Response allows you to request an approved guard to attend your property within 30 minutes if you receive an alarm notification. To find out more, visit our website at www.pyronix.com. Onto the setup. Open a new tab on your web browser and navigate to the Pyronix Cloud platform. Enter your Pyronix Cloud account details and log in. As you can see, the login details are already saved in the browser, so we'll just log in. This account currently has one enforcer, but if there is more than one control panel, they will appear in a list like the image below. Select from that list which control panel you want to add Guard Response to. Here is your device, when it last connected to the panel, and confirmation that notifications are enabled for this user. First, go into notifications and check if alarms are enabled, so a guard can be sent as soon as an event occurs. If you click Enable, you can see that alarms are enabled, but just to be sure, click Advanced to check. Here you can see that both sensor and second sensor activations are enabled, so everything is good to go. Now go back to the control panel screen to enable Guard Response. Click Add Guard Response, and you will now see a screen where you can check to make sure your area has coverage. Enter the property postcode and click Search. Now select the address from the list and click Check Coverage. Now that coverage has been confirmed, you can go ahead and continue through the onboarding process. Next, select whether the property is residential or commercial and click Submit. Before moving on, you now need to accept the terms and conditions. Tick the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions, and then enter your email address. Once Guard Response has been enabled and payment is complete, an email will be sent to confirm this. Now you're nearly at the end of the process. Enter your email and payment details, then click Submit to process the payment. The process is now complete, and Guard Response has been enabled on this panel. You should now see a new symbol on the tile for the system in the Home Control 2.0 app. If you have any questions or queries, you can call our customer services on 01709 700 100, or if you prefer, you can email customer support at pyronix.com. Thank you for watching.